Alrighty guys, on today's video, we're gonna go ahead and factory reset this switch. So it doesn't really matter which switch you guys have. It's exact same instructions for all of you. So let's just get started. Go right into your settings. So it's system settings. From your system settings, go all the way down into system. Under system, just go to the right, scroll all the way down again, and you're gonna see formatting options. So what will this do? Well, formatting, let's just go to it. You guys have a few options right here. So this last option is to reset it back to factory settings. So if you're gifting this to somebody, you're selling it, or anything like that, you should do this. That's gonna delete everything from within your Switch, okay? So if you guys have a Switch account that's online, because everything's online, so you're good. Your Fortnite account, if you have one, and you're playing Fortnite in here, doesn't matter. Just go into your new Switch, put in your ID, and you're good to go. You guys can just go ahead and play. You're not gonna lose your skins or anything like that. That goes for every other game that is. Now, something else you might want to do is take out your SD card if you have one. So take it out before doing this. Although it doesn't really matter. You guys can just factory reset this and you're not gonna have a problem because it's not affecting your micro SD card that you have in there. So you guys can take it out later. But I would take it out now and just put it into your new one. But yes, this option will delete everything from within it. Anyways, that's what this video is all about. So we're gonna go on and factory reset it. You will see all of this. Going to next, connecting to internet. And right here, it's gonna tell you that it's gonna delete everything from within your Switch. So just make sure that you guys have everything on your micro SD card, or if everything's online, like all your games are backed up online, then you're good to go. Such as Fortnite. Fortnite is a really good example of something that's online because no matter what console you move on to, you're always gonna have the exact same skins. So I actually use the same account on my PlayStation, on my Xbox, everywhere really. So my skins are just everywhere. And that's because it's just an online account. There are some games that store their information just on your Switch. So just make sure to transfer those to your micro SD card. But other than that, tons of games just use online right now. So we're gonna go on and just do that. Touch the first option. And then right here, it's just gonna tell you not to power it off. At this point in time, I would suggest to have this charging while you're doing this, just to make sure, because you do need full battery for this. And generally speaking, whenever you're updating your Switch or anything, especially like this, I would have it charging at the same time. And you guys can actually do this while it's connected to your TV, by the way. So if you want to do this from your TV, you guys can. So go ahead and do that. But right now, all we have to do is just wait. Now, how long will this take? Well, it said 10 minutes and it's going into 7 minutes right now. So it's just about those 10 minutes that it said, nothing longer than that. So if you just came back to your Switch 10 minutes later, the screen should be turned off. Just press the power button and then it's gonna turn back on. So right now, it's all done actually. So it's factory reset. Again, that means it's just like when you bought it. So you have to put in your account again and all that stuff. Can you put your same account? Yes. Can you use a brand new account on this? Yes. Again, usually people do this when they want to sell it, or maybe something's wrong with it and you want to start fresh. This is how to do it. So at this point in time, you just have to set it up again. So choose English, whatever language you guys want. Go into OK. Choose your region, wherever you guys are at. Okay. Then you guys are going to see this. Accept. Going to next. And then keep going throughout the whole setup process. But right now we're setting it up again. Now let's say you guys are selling this. Don't set it up. Just go ahead and turn it off. And then once you sell it, the new person can test it out by them going to the whole thing so they can set it up themselves. Or they can just do that later on. But that's the only way that they're going to be able to test this out. Usually I tell people to have it already set up so people can test it out and see if it's working. Again, if you're selling it. But in this case, I think it's better just for the new person, the new owner, to test it out just by doing the whole setup process. But as far as this video goes, we're all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.